see.
We are now in the Philippines.
A couple thousand kilometers later.
Yeah, crazy.
Country number 11.
Country number 11, which is crazy. We flew into Manila, met up with our friend Jake back there from Canada, and then hopped on another flight. Now we are in Port Barton.
Yeah, we had like a 14-hour travel day yesterday. Jake had like a 48-hour travel day.
Got lunch, now we're going to the beach. We are at Port Barton Beach. It's beautiful. Are you kidding me? 3 degrees. It's quiet. We're gonna play some frisbee. Yeah, it's beautiful here.
Nobody's here.
Yeah, it's so quiet. Oh my gosh.
Look at this boy. Heading back. Gotta do some work.
Good morning. It's day 2.
That easy. You just charter a boat.
And it's not that bad. It's 300 pesos.
Yeah, we hope.
We hope. He said it, so I believe him.
So we made it. Coconut. Very nice. Very private. These guys are just like fun friends. Cow and a heron maybe? Some kind of bird? Just hanging out. It's pretty crazy just to be in like a remote jungle by the beach. Just out here. A couple cows. No noise, no electricity. Kinda nice. Clouds will look a little unpromising, but
Just a little bit of rain. That's okay. Jake's enjoying it.
what's up, goat? Eh.
We're on White Sand Beach now. Key's down there. Beautiful here. Still a little rainy over there. Waiting for this swing. Jake and I need a picture on there. Yeah, literally tons of jellyfish. Jake doesn't care. We think this is our boat. Not quite sure.
Close-up magic.
Wow.
We are out for dinner. Took a little chill, got some work done. And we're gonna have a pop and play some cards, and we got barbecue.
Yeah, we got
That's
some
our
barbecue.
meat right there. It's cooking. With rice and fruit, I believe.
Yeah, and some pork. Cheers, boys.
Cheers. Chin chin.
We got rice and fresh fruit
I was like, bro, we're missing
and
one.
pork
It's not.
and more rice. Wow,
It's
guys.
actually a kumquat. It's on that.
Guys, this looks so good.
I'm just gonna finger all the meat really quick.
Family dinner.
Family dinner.
Best chips ever. Coca-Cola.
We're in El Nido.
We're in El
just,
Nido.
clearing out the sites, got some laundry in.
Wow.
Keegan's dirty towels going away.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Big wow. Blimey, it's a big fucking rock. If you look at it, you can see it's a rock. It's covered in trees. Rock's so old. Welcome to El Nido.
Somebody say, Opa!
Opa!
Just waiting. We didn't realize you have to just edge your way for a table, so we
We're
wait.
not in Japan anymore, where there's an
No
orderly
lines.
fashion and lines are sacred.
Seared tuna bowl for Sam.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Seared tuna tacos for Jakey.
See a tuna?
Yum. I'm getting a big plate. It's coming right now. I can see it. Beef bulgogi plate for the boy. Wow. Amazing. Oh my god, wow, amazing.
Oh, you doing another one?
El Nido, baby.
El Nido, baby.
Good morning. We are doing a boat trip with the hostel. It's tour A. Should be fun. Looks like 5 different stops. Swimming, snorkeling, buffet lunch. Pool party tonight. But yeah, let's get it. Rocked and ready to go. Time I've been forced to wear a life jacket in all of these.
Oh my god.
Wow. 35 degrees probably.
Yeah, I don't
already.
know.
Yeah. It's gonna be a good one.
Just went snorkeling? Wow. Stop number 2. We're gonna go kayaking.
Hungry.
I think in there.
When's
Right?
lunch?
When is lunch? Yeah, we're hungry. I think. What time is it though?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Hello, hello.
Wow.
Decided to rent the kayak. I feel like I'm gonna lose my hat. Very nice day out here.
It's literally beautiful. I've never seen clearer water. I mean, a little busy up there, but that's okay. We're all going to see the same thing, you know?
Just a girl in her boat, out on a float,
Yep, and he went out to take pictures of me.
taking pictures out in the water. Gorgeous though. Nice and shallow too, so
It's like, the water is just crazy.
crazy.
Crazy. Lunchtime!
We gotta swim to go get lunch over there, so you're gonna stay here.
Yeah, we're not gonna bring the camera, but that's where we're going to get some food. Beautiful though. We are at Seven Commandos Beach, which is our what? Fourth stop of the day. It's beautiful. It's a little windy, but
The sun is still
gorgeous.
We're just stopping to get a coffee, and Jake's getting a calamansi juice.
Yeah,
big
yeah.
racks.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we're gonna go hang out with some people by the pool. Hey,
Good morning.
Next day, we
Yeah.
were wiped.
Yeah, we were pooped after the boat tour, but
Still are. But it's a nice day.
we had to check out of our hostel, so we checked out, and then we just kind of been like doing work sitting in the common
Highly
area.
productive. Yep, it's been
Highly
nice.
productive.
And we are getting some lunch now. Our cheapest lunch yet. We're getting some falafel wraps.
So excited. It's gonna be good. We'll
Gonna
show you.
slap.
And we don't know what else we're gonna do today.
Falafel time.
Can you show them?
Falafel time. Falafel time. From Three Bros, falafel. The best falafel in town. Playing the pro in a little pool before we say goodbye to Friends Hostel. Really cool place though. Probably coolest vibe for a hostel. I wouldn't say most comfortable, but it's been good. Lunch was fire, like seriously fire. I would give it a 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10 if it was bigger. Best falafel in town for sure.
Hello from our new accommodation, literally around the corner from our hostel. But we get private rooms, which is always great. This is the place. Cute. We got it on Airbnb. I forget how much it is a night.
Boo!
Yeah, I
Gotcha.
didn't get me. This is our room. Jake's room is in there. And then we have a little kitchenette. Probably not really gonna like cook here at all. And then the bathroom's kind of like a shed, but not as bad as when we were in Thailand. So it's actually not that bad. Anywho, we have stayed in worse, which is funny. What are we doing, Keith?
We're going to get some cooked pasta and then gonna have a chill night because we are
Tired.
tired.
You know, just a lot of like
Sun,
socializing, sun activity. But yeah, we are gonna go out. Jake went out, touched the sunset and dinner with his friend, and we are gonna have a little date night. We're gonna go get some pasta, I think, right?
Yeah.
Watch the sunset. We should probably actually like go right now. Dinner.
Tutto pasta.
Tutto passa.
We got it.
We are here.
Carbonara. And I think yours
Carbonara.
is a beef ragu.
And mine is beef ragu.
This is where I've been going for the last 3 days. I've actually done 3 treadmill runs, 3 workouts.
I did
Sam
yoga
did a yoga,
class.
all on her own.
Yeah, I was the only one in the class.
And you walked here by yourself.
And I did walk here by myself, which is cool.
But yeah, it's a really fun little area. They actually have like a water treatment facility, and they say that all the tap water is potable. So
We had a burger here, was it last night?
2 nights ago,
2 nights ago?
very mid, like 6 out of 10.
Yeah, not good at all.
Yeah, we're gonna keep going. Who am I?
I know, you did say earlier you were feeling a gelato.
Yeah, just something cold. I'm really over the treats nowadays.
Yeah.
But got a mint chocolate chip. Shout out my grandma.
Yeah.
Miss you.
It's my grandma's favorite as well.
Yeah, and we miss your grandma.
And I got vegan strawberry. Hello. It is a couple hours after we had gelato. We're just having a chill night tonight because we're exhausted.
Traveling for 7.5 months, you get tired.
Yeah, and a lot of socializing. So we've just been chilling it.
Just us two.
Watching the White Lotus, and we're gonna go to bed. And we have a really busy day tomorrow, so we're excited.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Come for breakfast.
Let's go.
Breakfast. Look at that breakfast.
Looks really good.
Does look really good. Eggs Benedict. Little bacon and egg sandwich with some home fries and a double Americano.
What a fun mug. I don't even know how to hold this.
Cheers.
We're going to the beach. Leo Beach. He got some zinc sunscreen because his nose always, you know.
I'm that guy.
You're that guy. It's okay.
Squidward at the beach.
Red. Oh. Ooh, cozy. And we're here. Wow. It's beautiful. Lunch. Gonna be good on the beach.
Yeah, it's warm today.
Yeah.
As you can see, I have a new look.
I think we showed it this morning.
Yeah, I think it looks more in effect right now, though.
Yeah, it does.
But
It's because I put a lot on.
What can you do? I don't want skin cancer. So
There you go.
Zinc it up.
Zinc it up. Let's go.
Oh, just like cumulative.
Cumulatively. Get my picture. Bobby won't take my picture.
Oh, I was taking a video, but I can't. Give me a second.
We are going to a new beach today. You say that about every ice cream?
I do say that about every ice cream. I could be convinced to get an ice cream or gelato later.
I could not.
Wow. Oh, it's so nice.
cards, and Jake and I are gonna have a pint
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna
with
get.
quite a view.
And a pizza.
And a pizza. Wow.
Beautiful. Hello. We have left the beach and we're going to a Sunset Beach Club kind of bar thing, but we got dropped off at the wrong one. So now we're just gonna walk on the side of the road. We are at La Plage.
La playa.
Well, no, it's La Plage.
You're La Plage.
Well, we're almost there. We're walking
You're
down
a
the road.
huge La Plage.
I don't even know what that
A
means.
huge beach.
Oh.
What's up, cutie?
Okay.
Whiskey sour.
Is it weird that they gave us a straw with it?
No.
A straw.
Oh, it's strong. Now I'm the idiot.
Taste it? Oh, I haven't had a cocktail in so long. Yeah, it's good.
Just on a beach in the Philippines. That's crazy. Thoughts?
Oh my god, so beautiful. I love a good sunset, and the beach bar is a vibe. Good whiskey sour, and
Scour. Somebody's
I've had a couple
had a
drinks.
couple drinks and
the
she's
sunset's
widow weed
beautiful. Oh my
drinking.
god, it's our last night in El Nido too, so.
Let us settle.
Wow. And that is our time, our beginning of our time in the Philippines. What did we do? Port Barton and El Nido.
Port Princesa for a night.
Yeah.
Didn't see that.
Oh, I love El Nido so much. I love the Philippines so much. But
That's pretty good.
anywho, hope you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you in the next one. And yeah.